Tutorial: Detectors and Traces in Spectrogram mode. Now let's look at Trace menu in Spectrogram view. If you activate the Spectrogram view instead of Spectrum view, the softkey changes from Traces to Detectors. If you go into the menu, you can see why. Here, in contrast to the Trace menu in Spectrum, there is only the selection of detectors. The selection point of trace functions like max hold are omitted here because they are not useful in Spectrogram. Equivalent to the Spectrum view, 5 detectors are available: plus peak, RMS, minus peak, average and sample. The two most important, plus peak and RMS, are always selectable. The third selectable detector is changeable in the menu Third Detector. Here you can select either minus peak, average or sample. Which of the activated detector is displayed in the Spectrogram view is determined via visible detector. The measuring time determines the line spacing of the spectrogram. And via config spectrogram frames the number of spectra that are written into the ring buffer. The default value is 570 frames. If you select only 200, for example, the screen may not be used completely. If you want to capture data over a longer period of time and select a larger value, for example 100,000, SignalShark will check if there is enough RAM available before accepting the command. Only then it starts to fill the working memory. In this case it would be 3 detectors active, each containing 100,000 spectra, so 300,000 spectra in the ring buffer. If you want to display a spectrum from the past, you stop the analyzer with the help of the run function, activate a marker, and with its help you can recall the corresponding spectrum from the ring buffer. If you change the configuration of the detectors, for example if you switch off a detector, the analyzer deletes the ring buffer and starts a new measurement so that the measurement data in the buffer are consistent. If, on the other hand, only the currently visible detector is changed, this has no effect on the consistency of the data and the analyzer keeps the measurement data. If you click on the green Run button, the measurement recording stops. The button is now red. If you start it again, the analyzer starts from the beginning. This is the default setting. In the config menu, you can change this behavior for the current task. If you change the setting for the stop mode to hold, the measured values freeze on the display as before. However, the Run button is now blue instead of red. And if you press it again, you will see that the measurement does not start from the beginning. but that the measurement was continued in the background and the screen is updated with consistent data values since the beginning of the measurement. Thank you for watching. More videos available on our YouTube channel. And stay connected via Newsticker.